Alright friends, it's Ricky here. We're going to take and change these transmission mounts because I found out a while back that one of them was bad and it's broke right here. So we'll take these off and put these new ones on. And you can't do this with the motor in because look at these nuts. They're right inside of the bell housing. And need a wrench for that one. Here it is. And another nut under here. Same thing over here. When I drove this, I didn't notice anything that would tell me that the transmission mount was broke, but I could sure see it when I tried to jack it up. Got that one. Okay, so they should be ready to come out. Like I said, you can't do it with a motor in. You gotta take it out, but you can do it with the body on, as far as I know. You don't want to jack up no far, and you have to because you don't know what's going to happen. Axles pull out or whatever. I don't know. Nah, they won't do that. A little bit more. Okay. Almost got that one. That came out easy. That's the broke one. Two pieces. This will be the one going back in here. I hope it fits. Ouch. Yep, it fits in pinches. And that one is not broke. So, alright then. It's not hard to start them bolts. Okay. All right then. I would leave them loose until, missing one. 2, 3, 4. There it is. And voila. So, like I say, probably be a good idea to leave it loose till you get those bottom ones in. Just clean that out a little bit with something. About a screwdriver and a paper towel. That's good enough for me. And down we go. Let's see. Are they lining up? Pretty good. So, and let's go on the top or the bottom. I don't remember. I think it goes that way. No? Looks like it needs to go down a little more. Almost. Not quite. Too far. That looks good. There we go. And guess what? The washer's on the wrong side. All right, here's one. Uh-oh. That might be hard. That nut started on that way. Alright, there's 2 of them started. And here goes another one. There's another one started. And the last one. There's the other one. Oh. I thought I changed that ratchet. All right. All right, friends, that's how easy it is. So I'll get the ratchet and make sure they're not over tightened or under tightened. Alright, that's tight. Them little ratchet thing, them drills, impact drills, they really get stuff tight, don't they? Oh, that one went tight. Oh, that's tight. Looks good. We'll call that a job well done. Thanks everybody for watching. See you next time.